Another day, another English lesson. Phrasal verbs with give. Phrasal verbs combine a verb with one or more prepositions or particles to create a new meaning. In this lesson, we will look at some common phrasal verbs that use the verb give. Give up means to stop trying or to quit doing something. Example: she gave up smoking last year. Give in means to stop resisting and to accept something, often after pressure from someone else. Example: he finally gave in to their demands. Give away means to give something to someone without asking for payment or to reveal a secret without meaning to. Example: they gave away free samples at the store. Give out means to distribute something to a group of people or to stop working because of exhaustion. Example: the teacher gave out the test papers. Give back means to return something to its owner. Example: please give back my pencil when you're finished. Give off means to produce or release something like heat, light, or a smell. Example: the candle gives off a strong vanilla scent. Now you try. Complete these sentences with the correct form of a phrasal verb with give. One, since he was a boy, he wanted to be a professional soccer player and he never gave up on his dreams. 2, she gave back the money she borrowed. 3, the farmer gives away free apple slices every day. 4, wood stoves give off a lot of heat. 5, he gives out flyers on the street in his free time. 6, I eventually gave in to my sister's request. 7, my old car gave out while I was on a trip. 8, the volunteers gave away blankets to people in need. 9, please give back the keys before you leave. 10, fresh flowers give off a pleasant smell. Thank you for watching this Worldwide ELT English language teaching video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.